You're watching TelecomTV's exclusive video coverage of the MEF annual members meeting from Vancouver. And I'm joined now by Stan Hubbard, who is Director of Communications and Research at the MEF. Stan, good to talk to you on TelecomTV.
Great to talk with you.
Stan, how does the MEF's Carrier Ethernet 2.0 provide the foundation for service innovation moving forward?
Yeah, so Carrier Ethernet 2.0, if you think about it, really is the digital fuel for the global digital economy. It underpins the cloud, it underpins Internet of Things, it's really the WAN protocol of choice for business services. So really, if you think about communications, and where that's going, it's going to help drive service innovation, application innovation.
What programs are you working on to help further the adoption of Carrier Ethernet 2.0?
So the MEF has a number of different initiatives designed to accelerate worldwide adoption of Carrier Ethernet 2.0. Some in particular that I think are quite exciting right now are the Ethernet interconnect points and MEF services interconnection initiatives. And that's really designed to scale Ethernet services interconnectivity and ultimately spread the coverage of Carrier Ethernet 2.0 worldwide.
How many operators, providers are adopting Carrier Ethernet at the moment then?
Well, Carrier Ethernet technology has been adopted by well over 1,000 service providers around the world. Not all of those are using 2.0 equipment, but a very large number are. One of the things that we're very excited about here in the recent weeks actually is we just crossed the line for more than 50 service providers around the world that offer Carrier Ethernet 2.0 certified services. Now, if you think about Carrier Ethernet 2.0, it really is the gold standard for connectivity, and so the more operators that adopt Carrier Ethernet 2.0, the more that we are able to have assured connectivity services that lay that foundation for future service and application innovation.
And how does all this fit in with the MEF's vision of the third network?
Yeah, so the third network really is about the movement from static connectivity services over to much more dynamic connectivity services that are delivered over automated and interconnected networks. We're talking about services that are agile, assured, and orchestrated over networks that are powered by Carrier Ethernet 2.0, LSO, SDN, and NFV.
You mentioned LSO there. What is LSO?
Yeah, so Lifecycle Service Orchestration is about the end-to-end automation of connectivity services. So if you think about the way service providers are innovating, often what they do is they innovate internally within their own networks, and they're moving towards much more automated processes. LSO and the MEF work around that is designed to take that automation and not just have it happen within a service provider, but actually across multiple service providers. So, we have service providers that are offering on-demand services over their own networks, and a growing number are beginning to do that. But what we ultimately want to see as an industry is be able to offer those dynamic services over multiple networks that are interconnected around the world.
You're also the Program Director of the MEF's Gen 15 event, which is being held in Dallas in November. What can we expect to see at that event? What are going to be the main talking points?
Right, so we're bringing together the entire ecosystem of players that are involved in services, technology. We're also bringing in press, analysts, and investors, and enterprise end users. And what we're looking at is this transition in the market at a services level and also at a technology level. We're going to paint a roadmap for the future as we make this shift from static connectivity services towards much more dynamic cloud-centric services. And then we're going to talk about how all that technology will enable that future. So we're going to put together a framework for how LSO, Carrier Ethernet 2.0, SDN, and NFV all fit together.
Excellent. Well, we look forward to seeing more in November. For now, though, Stan, thank you very much.
Thank you.